Hello and good morning. We are up. I'm already ready. We have to go to base. I'm just turning off lights because my kids don't know how, apparently. But yeah, we have to go to base. Surprise, surprise. I feel like we're always going base. Got to do something for my husband's old truck. His parents have it. While we're on base, we'll probably stop so I can put money under his lunch account because that needs to get done before he goes back to school. And yeah, I think that's all we have to do. Oh, the light's on now. The kitchen light is not very good. There we go. So yeah, it's a drab 68 today is our high. So I've got my boots on. I had to bust out my socks again and my boots from my winter box. So yeah, I'm gonna clean the kitchen real quick. So we've been home for a little while. We ate lunch and Benji's downstairs napping and Ken and I have just been hanging out. But now I'm upstairs in our quote-unquote baking kitchen. This is our baking kitchen. So, weird fun fact. Our house has 3 floors. The one we call the basement floor, main floor, top floor where our bedrooms are. All 3 have kitchens. I'm pretty sure this used to be an apartment building type thing. Rented out to 3 different houses, 3 different apartments. And so we have 3 kitchens. We have like 3 full bathrooms and 2 half bathrooms. So we have a lot of rooms. But my husband used to make bread a lot. So he brought all his stuff up here into what I call the baking kitchen. And I want chili for dinner. And a lot of people have said that chili and cinnamon rolls go great together. So I'm gonna try and make some cinnamon bread. decided instead of doing the rolls, I would stick with the loaf of breads, but because I followed the other recipe, kind of same thing, I'm just gonna keep an eye on it and see what happens. I'm covered in flour. So yeah, I'm actually gonna take these downstairs to the downstairs kitchen so that way I can still sit on the couch and watch Netflix and not worry about, sorry, this, I feel like it's the same damn bee every time. It's like the 5th time I'll shoot it out of the house. But I'm gonna take it downstairs so I can still, you know, when dinner's done, cook it, or when my husband gets home with dinner, I can still cook dinner, but I can also still sit on the couch and watch Netflix. But I'm just gonna clean up my mess here, take these downstairs and put them in the oven. Rise for another 30 to 45 minutes. So I'm gonna do that while I clean and then cook for about 15 minutes, but I'll have to keep an eye on it since I'm doing loaves instead of rolls. Cinnamon roll bread. But we also have chili in the crock pot. It looks so good. My husband did find stuff for cream cheese frosting, so I need to look up the recipe for that again. But I'm so excited. Has anyone ever tried what is it called? Now I can't think of the word. Chili with cinnamon rolls, because apparently that is a thing. My older sister told me about it, and I've seen it on Facebook a couple times. But apparently it's good together, which is why I wanted to make the cinnamon rolls to go with chili, because it's cold and I just wanted something nice and warm. So that's what we're having for dinner. I've never had them together, but I'm super excited to try. But comment down below if you have had it before, because I would love to know. And let me know if you like it or not, if you think it's gross. But yeah, just let me know down below what you think about it, and I'll update once we actually eat it. So dinner is done. I thought I had it propped so you could see my face. Dinner's done, and is the chili good? I haven't had a bite yet, but I wanted to do first impression while we try the cinnamon rolls with our chili. Ooh, excuse me. All right, you want to try it?
I'll put it on.
So my cinnamon roll bread came out pretty cute. It's good looking. Come on, focus.
And with a foot.
So I'm gonna take some chili and put it on.
I will. Well, I'll just
Do you
taste
want to
it.
just try the bread?
I think Mommy did a good job on it.
Yeah? The cinnamon roll is really good. The chili, for me, could be spicier. So I think I'm gonna put some hot sauce and maybe some jalapenos in it. And then I think I'd like it with the cinnamon roll. Because right now there's not really a lot of spice going on. I think we used a different packet of seasoning. So I don't know, it's just not, I need the spicy if I'm gonna eat it with the sweets. I'm gonna grab some jalapenos. All right, let me try it now that it's spicy.
My mom's going to try it. I'm gonna away.
I like it a lot better
to me,
when it's spicy.
it's a little bit spicy, but it's a little good. That's why I ate it a little bit fast.
I know. Mommy will get you more if you want some more. I mean, it's good, but it's not something I think I would jump at. Like, oh my god, I want to eat this.
It's
I
not.
think I prefer to eat them with saltine crackers.
To me, I think I don't really want crackers to this one.
Try it with the cinnamon roll. Alright, I'm gonna turn this off and I'm gonna finish stuffing my face. I'm probably gonna watch some YouTube or Netflix because.
Record it all.
No!
Why?
They don't need to record us, see us eating our whole meal. But yeah, so kind of a boring vlog, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give a thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all of our new subscribers. We super appreciate you guys wanting to watch our semi-boring lives. Now that Grandma's gone, I have to find things to do with me and Ray, since Durs will be in school. But thank you, and as always, we love you. I hope you have a good night. Bye.